Good day. Now we are going to see about another model in time and work. Here we have to know about certain rules regarding proportions. If you are familiar with it, then only we can solve these problems. Let us see the rules. If A is n times as good as B, then the ratio of work done by A to work done by B will be n:1. That is, time taken by A is to time taken by B is 1:n. If A is twice as good as B, then ratio of work done by A and work done by B is 2:1. That is, time taken by A is to time taken by B is 1:2. If A is thrice as good as B, then ratio of work done by A is to work done by B is 3:1. Time taken by A is to time taken by B is 1:3. We have to see law of proportions too. In a law of proportion, it states that when x is to y is equal to n:m, that is ratio x by y is equal to n by m, means here the first and the last terms are called extremes, that is x and m are called extremes, and the second and third terms are called means. Here by using law of proportions, which states that product of means is equal to product of extremes, that is y into n is equal to x into m. So we are going to follow these rules to solve these problems. So let's see an example. A's work is thrice as fast as B. If B can complete a work in 12 days independently, then find the number of days in which A can finish the same work. If we solve it mentally also, we can obtain the answer. That is, if B does it in 12 days, A is 3 times faster, so A will complete it in 12 by 3, that is 4 days. We can get the answer. But let us see a procedure to solve the same problem, which will be helpful to solve other difficult problems too. Let's see the solution. A's 1-day work is 3 times that of B's 1-day work. So A's 1-day work is to B's 1-day work is 3:1. But the days taken by A is to days taken by B is 1:3. Now let us assume the number of days taken by A as x. So A's day of work is to B's day of work is x:12, which is equal to 1:3. So by using law of proportion, the product of extremes is equal to product of means. Here extremes are x and 3 and means are 12 and 1. So 3 into x equal to 1 into 12, which means x is equal to 12 by 3, that is 4 days. Let's see another example. A is twice as good as B and they together finish a job in 14 days. Now find the number of days in which A can finish the same job. A's 1-day work is 2 times good that of B's 1-day work. So A's 1-day work is to B's 1-day work is 2:1. Here A and B together finish the job in 14 days. So A and B's 1-day work will be 1 by 14. A's 1-day work is to B's 1-day work is 2:1. That means of the total 3, that is 2 plus 1, 2 part is for A and 1 part is for B. That is, of the total 1-day work of 1 by 14 done by both A and B, 2/3 work is done by A and 1/3 is done by B. So A's 1-day work will be 2/3 of the work done by A and B together. That is 2 by 3 into 1 by 14. And the answer is 1 by 21. So days taken by A is the reciprocal of the same, that is 21 days. I hope you are all familiar with this model. Let it try yourself and send your answers in the comment section. All the best.